All right. Hi, guys. My name is Sheena. I am one of the co-founders of Atlas Online Solutions. I also am the creator of Atlas Agency Launch Lab. More about that another time. Just wanted to drop in, let you guys know that we'll be going live a couple of times a week inside of this group, myself and 5 other agency owners, just sharing some tips and tricks that we've learned along the way that might be helpful to you guys inside of your agency. So if at any time you guys have questions, you're more than welcome to post them inside of the group, and myself or a member of my team will be available to answer them for you. And tonight, we're going to answer one of the questions I get asked a lot, and that is, how do I make my clients stick around? Okay, there are so many different ways to answer that question. It starts with your prospecting methods, it starts with your appointment setting methods, and then it really solidifies itself inside of your sales process. So there's an awful lot that goes into a sales process, and I will do a live one night walking you through exactly how to do a sales process and close massive deals. But for today, we're just going to talk about how to create a marketing strategy during that sales process so that when your client is not seeing the return on investment that they want, and they want to, get more bang for their buck, instead of going somewhere else, they come to you and they ask you to add more service offerings to what you're currently doing because they know already that it's going to complement each other. All right. So when I'm doing a sales process, after I have gone through everything, the discovery, revealing the deep pain, talking about the gap that's inside of this current strategy, and all of that, when I provide the solution, I provide a very well-rounded marketing plan. All right. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. And if all of you here are just focusing on 1 or 2 services, this might encourage you and challenge you to start offering a few more, okay? There are 90,000 people inside of this group. If you don't know how to do the fulfillment, somebody else here does, all right? And if you're wary about trusting your clients' results to strangers, you're more than welcome to reach out to us and we can help you find somebody or recommend somebody that we currently use that will give your clients stellar results. All right. So when we do a sales call, all right, I'm going to produce my solution. Okay. I'm going to say, okay, all right, Mrs. Business Owner, you've come to me and you've told me that this is your pain. And if we don't solve that pain, then this is what's going to happen. So I'm going to repeat their words back to them. I'm going to say, to solve that problem, all right, we're going to start with running ads. Excuse my writing, I'm not the neatest, but you can understand what I'm saying. Right, so I'm going to say Facebook, Google, whatever it is that I'm running, okay? I'm going to run those ads to a landing page. And the reason that you need a landing page, Mr. Business Owner, is because unlike a website where 60, 70, 80% of your traffic is going to get there and just bounce right off, this landing page is like a sales person sitting out there on the web, in the internet, working for your business 24/7, okay? When they click on the ad, they're going to come to a landing page, and the only thing they're going to see on that landing page is that offer that they originally clicked on. They're not going to get lost, and they're going to book a call. Inside of that landing page, we're going to install Metapixel, right? So Metapixel is just a tiny piece of code that helps us track all visitors here and then retarget them. So we're going to start using retargeting campaigns, all right? This means that the next time anybody who's landed on your ad, it could be a Google ad, it could be a Facebook ad, TikTok, whatever, next time they're on the internet, they're going to be retargeted with social media ads, right? The reason this is so important is because the way you get success inside of advertising is repetition, and this creates that repetition. After the landing page, they're going to book a call, and they're going to get sent to a thank you page. All right, that thank you page is going to be personalized, going to make them super excited about their call. You're going to record a little video or something in there. All leads that come in are going to get added to something called a database. All right, so we're going to write new leads. Right, you have current clients. You have old leads that have never engaged with your business or used to engage with your business, but now no longer see you or engage with your services. So we have old, right? All of this is a database. Now, if you go to the bank and ask for a loan or you wanted to sell your business, the size of this database is very, very relevant because it's what they're going to judge how much they pay you for your business. All right. Now, your database can be used in so many different ways, but one of the things we do when we run this ad is we're going to start automations that encourage them to get to a call. Okay. We're also going to send out message marketing campaigns, all right, or send out some promotional text messages and emails. Now, this could be to promote a new service, somebody else that's coming into your business, anything that's going to get those current clients coming back, spending more, all right? Now, your old leads, people that no longer engage with your business, or leads that came in but never actually became customers, we're going to try and reactivate them, all right? So we're going to do a reactivation campaign, or a database reactivation campaign, or a message marketing campaign, whatever it is you guys call it. That's what we're going to do, okay? Now, all of this is what's going to make you more money, okay? This is also very, very important because the more times that you engage with your customers, not just in person, the bigger awareness of your brand that you are building, okay? So we're going to do that. And another way we're going to do that is we're going to send a message to all of the people who have ever engaged with your business, and we're going to ask them to leave reviews. All right, we can ask them to leave reviews via text message, via email. We can create a QR code that sits on the counter. It's like a physical, please leave me a review here, or please leave me feedback here. Now, when you ask somebody to leave a review, you're not going to ask for a review. You're going to ask for feedback. And the reason that you're going to ask for feedback is, one, you can then run a promotion saying, leave us some feedback here and you can be in to win whatever. The other reason we're going to use the word feedback is we're going to start using a gatekeeper, okay? So whenever somebody clicks on that link to leave you a review, they're going to get sent to a landing page and they're going to get asked to rate your business out of 5, all right? Anything that is 4 stars and above, we're going to send them to your Google business profile, your Facebook page, or whatever it is we're sending them, and get them to leave that public review. If it's 3 stars or less, they're going to get sent to a feedback form. Now, that feedback form is for your eyes only. It's going to get sent to you. That gives you the opportunity to engage with that client or customer, reassess your relationship, either create better expectations or fix bridges that need to be fixed, okay? Now, something that reviews does, most of us already know, builds up your SEO. It's very, very important for SEO, for Google business profile, for traditional SEO, all of those things, okay? The other thing it does is it creates social proof. Social proof is one of the most powerful parts of branding, okay? So this is going to focus on your branding. Other way to support your branding is to implement some content creation, all right? 2 years ago, most of us traditional marketers were saying, content creation, not real marketing. Well, we kind of had to eat our words because now everybody's on the internet to be engaged, and they do that by social media posting. All right, if a business is not posting on social media, the ads won't perform as well. Any marketing campaign is not going to perform as well. All right, so we're going to really, really focus on their branding. And another part of their branding is newsletters. This is going to support everything else that we do here, okay? This SEO, we could be using YouTube SEO, we could be using any kind of SEO we want, but this SEO that's being supported by reviews is mostly traditional search engine optimization. And that directly supports their website, okay? Now, we're also going to take a look at your website and see if we need to install a tracking pixel in here that we can start sending more retargeting campaigns. Now, the more work that we do on this, the less money that you're spending on this, the more effective this is going to be, and the less money you have to spend in general. All right? So if when you do your sales call, set it out like that, you don't have to do the whole package right now, okay? You can say, I hear you. The reason we're here is to make you money. And that means that you don't have thousands of dollars right now. So we can start with, reactivation or paid ads or whatever it is that we suggest that they start with. But they've got this inside their heads. They know that you are here to nurture their entire business. And if you can nurture their entire business, they don't have a reason to go anywhere else. All right? You're it. You're it for them. And you can build it out in so many different ways. All right? There is business processing management, there's sales training for their sales staff, there is recruitment, so many different things that you can do to support a business as a marketer. All right. The other thing I challenge you to think about, if you were to take 10 people, put them in a room and ask every single one of them, tell me what a marketer is. Most of them are going to have different answers. And that's going to be very, very dependent on the last experience and the last interaction that they had with a marketer. All right. So you don't want to be creating that block that can often come from using the word marketer. So I use business growth consultant, business growth specialist, anything like that. And using this strategy here, where you're making, admittedly very messy, but where you're making an entire marketing pathway for them, is going to reinforce the fact that you are there to support their business growth. Okay. All right, guys, I hope that's been helpful. As I said, we're going to be going live a couple of times a week. So if you guys need any help, something's going on inside of your business, send a message, tag me in it, and I'll see if I can help you out. All right, until next time.